Hello, grandson.
Granny, I'm hungry.
Granny makes you healthy food.
I want burger.
Oh dear. Here you go.
I'm still hungry.
Goodness gracious. Grandma brings you pasta.
More. I want more.
How about some popcorn?
More food.
Is there a wolf in your belly?
Yummy. No more, Granny. I'm gonna pop like a balloon.
Just one more treat?
Okay. What's happening? Oh no.
Expendable marshmallow.
I'm gonna explode.
You always make me laugh, grandson. Time to bring you back, kiddo. Hold on tight. Junk food is made to be really hard to resist. It tricks your brain into wanting more, even if you're not hungry. Stay healthy.